I mean that we should do study physically.
It's good, physical classes are good because in current in COVID-19 situation, it's not possible to get physical classes. That's why the online classes are to be getting.
But a student is so weak. How he will be able to understand that that many points are hard, and how he can modify and explain that what is it?
Many teachers are describing in good way on the online classes
Yes.
their topics.
But
Not
he
easy.
but the teacher is not physically in front you. That if you puzzle, listen, if you puzzle in any points, that how you can ask and how you can describe it.
They see each other on online video call.
Yes.
And asking the questions on voice call. No problem. They not physical, but he was in online live online and video call, and they easily ask some questions in which they have problems.
No, there are lots of problems. You know that every one person cannot study on the online, because every person has no good facilities. So I mean that if you do physically study, and if you do physically anything, that you will be understand very easily, and you will never puzzle in every problem that what is happening, and so that that physically classes are more important than
In modern era nowadays, online classes are to be taken in the many international universities. In Pakistan also, online classes to be continued.
Yes.
Because somebody is living at home in Hyderabad, in university in Islamabad, that he get the online class.
But who is person who is intelligent or high qualification, that he can understand easily? That I mean that who are very weak, that how he can understand on the online system.
Slowly he understand online
But
classes.
he
that it's not a problem.
No, it's a big problem.
No.
That if he don't know basically things, that how he will forward in his.
It's not impossible. It's possible because online class, because he have
But
internet and video call, he attend the classes.
But you know that every person gets knowledge by physically, and if you present that physically teacher, physically everything is physical available in front of you.
Incoming
That you can ask, and at many times you present that your teacher will guide to you. But on the online classes, only he will tell to you about once.
No, it's live call. You you have any problem on the spot, you can talk the teacher easily and asking some questions about that. You say if you have good knowledge about computer and the internet.
If you are saying that if
Yes.
you have a good knowledge.
In coming days, now physical classes to be not taken, and now coming days online system is importing, improving.
And you know that every person is not rich, but a lots of person are belongs with poor families, and they are very poor,
It's
poor,
general
and
issue,
how
not
they
it's
can
poor.
manage.
It's general issue, not it's poor.
No, it is. It affects on their future.
If he want to getting education and getting knowledge, then he do something for getting education.
If no, but I mean that physically things will be very easy for you and for everyone. so that
If somebody not taking physical classes, he not
No.
come the center or in institute or in university, then
you know that you know that when the children take admission in the primary, that you should take classes by physically. Not you will not go directly on the online, because you have to know that what is basic of my foundation. So you have to strong of your base. After then you will go on your online classes.
in COVID-19 there is the banning situation and how anybody can get physical classes.
Because if your schools are switch out, that you can take private tuition.
How it's not possible to get any COVID-19? Nobody can meet with
But
each other.
you
How can you get
I have understood.
education?
I have
It's
understood.
not possible to get.
I have understood your point that you know that everything is locked.
Yes.
Okay, that how we can take physical classes, but everything is locked. Your teachers are available. They are not locked.
They are available only on online classes, for not physical classes.
No, every person, you know that who's best teacher, that he will help
they
you
giving
in
the
everything. Because if you have an interest in that, otherwise not.
They giving lecture online, not physically. They available at the school and colleges. They give the lecture online, not physically. Nobody, no any student come to the school or college or university.
But you are saying that nobody comes on the college.
Student, no any student come in the college. Only staff and teachers.
Only
Only teachers come to the college and give the lecture online to the students.
in the college.
Yes.
Because if they come in the college, that why not students come?
Because the students ratio is more than the teachers. That's why they not come.
They should sit. They should sit to on the distance.
It's not possible to sitting in the low capacity in the SOPs.
Okay, you are saying that it is not okay, but you know that it is not good for the education. But everything is open in the COVID-19.
No,
And
everything not open.
that how is going on in our country? How is going on our country? How is transport and
They only transport open for the basic needs, just like any vegetables come from the other city to another city for any basic needs. No,
they will
for-
not
they-
take COVID-19?
no any tourism when COVID-19 become the improving
By the COVID-19, no one follow the COVID-19. You know you have a mask. You have a mask and you are not following.
Now is not COVID-19.
Okay.
I am talking about the previous time, not the current situation.
Yes.
That's why I not take the mask.
So only tell me one point that who students belongs with poor family
Yes.
and how they will manage of their study.
If
And
they-
because they are very poor, they can't manage of their eating.
If he wants to get education, he do everything. It's not impossible.
How he can
He do anything.
listen me, for example, first of all your COVID-19 is going on and everything is blocked, transport and other things is blocked. Okay, then how he will earn? Only he can manage of his food.
Listen.
Then how he will? Okay.
Suppose you are a student of intermediate or by university and there is a panic situation, you not getting physical education and teachers and institute say that you get online classes. How could you say, how do handle that problem? You not get any laptop or computer for getting online classes?
I will request that sir, I have no any thanks and any benefits. So how I can manage of my study? So please give us some time and I want to forward in my
They-
future.
They mm, how you say that if they
I have no anything
Yes.
available. I have no any benefits of to taking online classes. So how I can manage of my study? So I will request my teacher that please give some time for taking a class. If not in the university and other places, you can take.
they not give the physical classes and say that only you get online classes, then how you
Then I have no any other sources. Then what I will do?
then you not get any education. And
But I have to be something. I want to be something.
yes,
Okay. And I am thinking that I have to forward in my future.
yes,
That at any cost I have to be something. So I want to get more knowledge. Okay.
Then
Then I
anything for that online classes you say that I do any cost of I get classes any cost. And you also get any step for the online classes. You not sit on the home for as a free at home.
Okay. If what we said? Sorry.
I say that if you are saying I get any step for the getting education knowledge from teachers or in school, and I say that you can get also any internet for doing anything for getting online
It's
classes.
also online classes.
Yes.
Not internet, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It's also
Online.
online system.
Yes.
But it is the option of the online system that for men can't manage. So that's I'm describing that how I can manage of my study.
It's your problem, not the
But I want to. But I want
you
to.
want to.
I want to easy my problem. I want to make easy my problem. By whom?
It's not.
If I have to be something and I have no available anything and I have no benefits, some benefits, okay, and I am thinking that I have no anything that how I can grow in my future and how I will be able to do something.
If
So
you not get
listen.
any step for the online education, online classes, then you miss from your education.
Why?
If you not get getting online classes, you miss from your classes and not getting any lecture. It's your loss, not from the institute and university loss. And you get any step for taking online classes.
But we are talking about the physical and
Online.
online.
Yes.
Okay, you are describing that it is your problem. But I want.
They say that we getting only online classes, and it's your mistake for getting you arrange something for the getting online classes.
First suppose you are in the first class. Okay. Then what you should do? What you should do directly on the online classes or physically?
They not giving for the online classes to class one.
No, first of all, you are child.
it's not
Listen,
supposed
listen,
to be.
listen,
No.
listen. Let me complete.
Yes.
Okay, you are child. Okay, and you are in the first class. What you will do? On direct, you will go on the online classes.
I say they.
First of all, you have to
listen.
need a lot of physical teachers because only physical teacher can guide to you and explain.
Online classes for not for first for one class. It's for only metric.
So I am saying and I am
matriculation intermediate. You say that class one.
only
is
you are
for
talking
getting online.
intermediate.
Yes.
Only you are talking intermediate.
Intermediate graduation.
Only
university,
no.
college,
We are
diploma.
talking basically beginning.
Basically, why you talking about the basically?
I am talking.
I said that university and college is also getting the online classes.
Okay.
Not class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
To study. To study.
No.
Not studying from one class. Okay.